Tell me why fried rice wants to disgrace people every time they try to cook it, especially with short green rice. It's like blink once and boom, you're eating fried porridge. But today we're breaking that course from making a rich, flavorful stock to getting rice that stands one by one and stays fresh without spoiling. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you very much. These are the ingredients we'll be using. One thing I absolutely love about making fried rice is how it lights up the kitchen with color and aroma. Full list will be in the description box below. Let's start by cooking our chicken. This is where the flavor party begins. Add your chicken to a pot, then go in with ginger garlic paste, salt, thyme, curry, chicken bouillon and chopped onions. Stir well to combine. You need to actually make sure the spices enter into the chicken very well. If you can use your hands for this, if it's possible to use your hands, Pico, please use your hands. You can also marinate this for like an hour or even more if you can. Do not add water just yet. You're just going to cover this and allow to cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. The chicken will release its own juice. You see that rich liquid? That's pure good. That's how you get that deep flavorful stock. Now you're going to add water. Then cover and let it cook till the chicken is tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pot and go ahead to either fry, grill or air fry it. Which one would you prefer? Do you prefer frying, grilling, or do you prefer air frying your chicken? Let me know in the comment section. I air fried mine. Clean, crisp, and no mess at all. As for the stock, you're going to pour into a sieve to remove all the residues. This is very important. It is to prevent the rice from looking dirty. Once that is done, you're going to set it aside. For the rice, we're using short green rice, no doubt, but I would advise that you use very dry short green rice. There's a lot of very dry rice brands in the market. You're going to rinse this thoroughly in water just until the water runs clear. I did this for about 10 times. Pour the rice into a sieve so that the excess water can drain. This step is also important. If it's possible, you can do this one before you even start at all. We're going to proceed to chopping and dicing our veggies. Remove the seeds from the bell peppers and wash thoroughly before dicing them. Soak spring onions in salt water to remove any dirt, then rinse and slice. Do the same to the green beans. The size of this doesn't really matter as long as they are uniform. As for the carrots, peel them first, then rinse in water and proceed to dice. You know, one thing that will actually save you a lot of time by making fried rice is vegetable cutter. That is very, very handy. As for the liver, they need to be cooked with salt, curry and thyme and seasoning first before dicing. To cook the fried rice, you're going to start by adding some vegetable oil and margarine. You can use butter if you are rich. Add the washed rice into the pot. Go in with curry and thyme. Fry this while stirring just until the rice changes from pale to a vibrant color and shining. This took around 5 minutes. Pour in the chicken stock. Add water if the chicken stock is not enough. Just a little water, please. You just need enough water to cover the rice. It is better to add water at intervals than pouring all at once. Taste and adjust seasoning and salt if there is need. Add chopped scotch bonnet. This is optional. Stir, then cover and allow to cook just until the rice is soft. You can keep tasting this at intervals to check if it's still going to need more water or not. If it's going to need more water, you can add more water while cooking, but just be very careful while adding the water so you don't end up with soggy rice. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat immediately and you want to fluff the rice out and allow the steam to escape. This is very important. If it's possible, you can completely take the pot off the stove and keep stirring so that there will be no steam left at all in the rice. I'm going to tell you why this is important in a few minutes from now. Into another pot or pan, you're going to go in with some vegetable oil and margarine. First, we're going to fry the diced liver. Stir while frying so that they do not burn. We're just going to fry this until they become crisp and golden brown. Once fried, take them out of the pan and set aside. The smell right now is heavenly. If your neighbors don't ask you what you are cooking at this point, start all over again. By the way, you can use any protein of choice while making fried rice. You can use liver, you can use sausage, you can even use chicken. So are you team liver or team sausage or team chicken? Let us know in the comment section. As for me, I am always team liver. Next, add more oil and butter into the pan. Then go in with chopped onions and minced garlic or garlic paste. Then fry until translucent. The first thing I love frying while making fried rice are green peas. You can also cook this along with the rice, but for some reason I love frying them. Go in with the green beans and fry till they are both soft. These are the two most stubborn ingredients in fried rice. Just fry them until they are soft, then add the bell peppers. At this point, you only want to fry for a minute or two so you don't over fry the other veggies. Add sweet corn. I love adding carrots last so it can have a bit of crunch. Season with thyme, curry, salt and chicken bouillon. Add a bit of the spring onions and stir and fry for just a minute. Turn off the heat immediately, then add in the fried liver. Just keep stirring so that the steam and heat can all escape. Just the same way we did for the rice. You're going to make sure this is not hot at all before you add the rice. Both the rice and the veggies need to be cooled before you add them together. This is so that the rice can last long without spoiling. See, if you cook your rice this way, you will come back to thank me. This was what I meant when I said earlier that you should allow the steam and heat from the rice to escape and allow the rice to cool down completely before adding the veggies. Introduce the rice and veggies and the rest of the spring onions, then mix together till they are thoroughly combined. You can then heat this up a bit if you want. The color and beauty is so addictive and I didn't want to stop stirring. Can you blame me though? Cooking fried rice is very easy. Now you know they follow instruction. And that's just how you cook fried rice with short green rice. Fried rice that will not spoil. Proceed to serve the fried rice with chicken and enjoy. Trust me, this is actually better than a restaurant served fried rice because the flavor is balanced, the texture is perfect, and the ego spot on and fully restored. I know people will not say thank you, but anyway, you are welcome. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.